Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this Chevrolet TRAX 2025 RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and we'll show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. This one has backup camera, backup sensors, sunroof, beautiful white color with black interior. It's got about 6,000 miles on the clock. Really nice shape. Let's go ahead and take a close look. Really nice condition. Okay, looking at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. Super clean. Very nice. Take a look at the headlamps. Amazing condition. Lower lamps also in beautiful shape. Take a look at the grill. Grill's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. RS package. Really sharp. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Really amazing shape. Bumper does have a little blemish here on the edge. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Beautiful condition throughout. Really nice shape. Take a look at the door. Driver door looks good. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Does have a little blemish here on the edge here. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the rear door on the driver's side. Beautiful condition, nothing to show there. Super clean. Take a look at the rear quarter panel on the driver's side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Nothing to show there. Hatch is in beautiful shape, looks brand new. Really amazing condition all the way through. Very nice. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape. Parking sensors, backup camera. Really amazing condition. Quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful shape. Looks super clean, amazing condition. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Passenger door in the front, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful shape, super clean throughout. Let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in amazing condition, looks super nice, very nice condition. This one has a sunroof on it, super sharp. Roof is in beautiful condition. Looks super clean throughout, very nice shape. Really amazing condition. Windshield on this side also beautiful, no blemishes or anything. Super clean. All right, that concludes our walk around. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior and then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, looks clean throughout, very nice condition. Look at the controls. Armrest is in beautiful shape, really amazing condition. Take a quick look here, the driver's seat. The driver's seat's in beautiful shape, super clean, full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape, really amazing condition. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Take a look at the controllers. Very nice. Passenger seat in the front. Really amazing shape. Super clean. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard, steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice. Really beautiful condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition all the way through. Super, super clean. Really amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, looks clean throughout, very nice condition. Look at the armrest, very nice. Take a look at the rear seat on the passenger side, looks amazing. Super clean throughout, very nice condition. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX RS model. Let's take a look at the key fob here, really nice, look at that. Lock unlock, remote start, panic. It's got a little button here to open up the key. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and insert the key and start it up. There you go. Press the brake. Starts up, perfect, look at that. All the gauges are fully functional. GM always checks the gauges when you start it up. They go all the way to the top and then they start reading, perfect. All right, let's take a look here. This one has the automatic on and off for the engine to save fuel. It's got a bypass button right here. You can turn that on to bypass it if you'd like. It's the RS model, so it has a little RS emblem there on the cluster. So this one has 6,327 miles. Really nice, beautiful condition. It's got the really nice screen. The 25 has a bigger screen. So let's go to the audio on this one. Let's check it out. It is a touch screen. So we press there like that. There you go. Went to the audio. Back to home. Phone. There you go. Back to home. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi settings. There you go. Hotspot. Settings for the vehicle. Really quick. Let's look at the apps. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, audio, phone settings. It's got the rear seat reminder, pre-collision detection. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. It's got the front collision system detection and the pedestrian one also in the front. The change lane alert, parking assist, rear backup camera with symbols, rear cross traffic, and rear backup camera. Look at that. All those safety features. Super nice. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Really amazing shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Controls for the lights, automatic lights. It's got a leather wrapped steering wheel. Looks amazing. Perforated. Then towards the bottom, it has a really nice accent there. Looks beautiful. Okay, this is for the collision controller here. You can set up the distance, doing it right here from the steering wheel right there. This is the heated steering wheel. This is for the cruise control. Over here on the right, volume controls. Very nice. Front and rear wipers, turning signals. Really nice condition. Okay, this one has heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. Look at that. Nice feature for you guys up north. You've got your USBs here to plug in. Power plug, little cover, little storage space there. Automatic transmission. There's the button to turn off the automatic on and off of the engine. This for the lane alert thing. Really nice. Parking release. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Look at that. Amazing condition. Take a look up above here. You got your mirror. Got your OnStar controls. This one has a power sunroof. We're going to go ahead and open that in a moment. Let's see. Look at that up. Open it up. Perfect. Glass roof. Super nice. Okay. That's pretty much it for the interior. Beautiful condition throughout. Really nice shape all the way through. Super, super clean. Really amazing condition. 2025, 6,327 miles. 1RS package. Very nice. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to take it for a little test drive. Okay, we're all set for a little test drive here. We have it in gear already. We're ready to go. Nice power. Feels good. Really nice drive. Super quick. Turns nice. Super smooth. Stops on a dime. Feels good. Really nice drive. Very nice drive. Okay, only thing left, we're gonna go ahead and check out the backup camera, and then we'll conclude our test drive. Okay, let's give it a little test here. Find a really good spot. Backup camera's on. This is super nice. When you turn the steering wheel, it's got those lines there to guide you, let you know which way you're going to roll back, which is a nice feature. Really amazing. There we go. Straightening it up here. And then it's got a couple sensors in the back, lets you know what you're getting close to, and it comes up right on the cluster. So I'll try to get a little closer here, see if we can activate those again. So you go. So it's showing here on the cluster we have something dead center, which is the bushes in the back there, and that shows up on the cluster, lets you know when you're getting too close to something. Look at that. That is amazing. Okay, that pretty much concludes our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment, take a look at the cargo area in the back. We'll be good to go. Okay, let's take a look at the cargo area in the back. Really nice shape, beautiful condition. Does have a little bit of wear and tear here on the rug. Nothing major. Besides that, looks good. Below here we have a spare tire with all the tools. Very nice, a lot of space down there. Really beautiful condition, amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that, very nice condition. Super clean throughout. Looks brand new. Really amazing shape. All right, we'll take a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in good shape, very nice condition, super clean. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in great shape, looks brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition, very nice shape. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in beautiful shape, look at that, very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition, very nice. Okay, we'll take a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side. Tires in beautiful condition, very nice. Rim's clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really amazing condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really outstanding shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.